Hello and welcome to Python for Absolute Beginners. I am Aaron Mirador, the owner of Green Chameleon Learning and the instructor of this course. So, who is this course meant for? This course does not require any prior programming experience and starts with the absolute basics of Python. So if you've never done any programming before, this course will be a great way for you to learn not just Python, but also some of the fundamental concepts of programming. In addition, if you are someone who already has experience with other programming languages and you are just trying to get into Python, or you have used Python previously and you just need a refresher on it, then this course will be a great resource for you. In addition to being easy to learn and use relative to other more long-winded programming languages such as Java and C++, Python is one of the world's most in-demand computer programming languages. It is versatile enough to be used in almost any type of program you can imagine, and is used extensively in the fields of data science and web development. As stated earlier, this course can be and is expected to be completed mostly by those with no prior knowledge of Python or other programming languages, meaning that you will be taught as if you are completely new to programming. Included in the course are lecture videos that will teach you everything from how to download Python and set up the tools you need to run it, to concepts such as functions, flow control, variable scope, and iterable data types such as lists, dictionaries, and tuples. In addition, the course includes a diverse mix of quizzes, exercises, and programming challenges that will allow you to practice and test your understanding. I've taught tens of thousands of students, and have attained thousands of 5-star reviews. In addition, while there are other quality Python courses on Udemy which teach the same concepts, my succinct teaching style may be the best fit for you as it was for many of my students. Python for Absolute Beginners is backed by Udemy's 30-day money-back guarantee. If, for whatever reason, you don't like the course, you can ask for a refund and get your money back, no hassle and no questions asked. So, if you want to learn how to program with Python, enroll now to join me and the other students in this course. Hello and welcome to the first course lecture, where we will go over how to install Python and PyCharm on your computer. Our first order of business is to get Python installed on your computer. For that, you need to open your browser of choice and then head on over to the page www.python.org/downloads. When you get to that page, you will see a button saying Download Python 3 point number. In my case, the version number is 3.7.3, but your version number may be different. In any case, if the version of Python that you download is a later version than mine, you should still be able to follow along with the course. Go ahead and click on the button to install Python. Once it is finished downloading, find the Python installer package that you just downloaded. Double-click on it, then click Continue, then continue again, then continue again, then click Agree. When you get here, click Install, enter your password, then click Install Software, and when you're finished, you can close any windows that appear. Since I don't need the Python installer anymore, I'm just going to move it to the trash. Great job! You now have Python installed on your computer. Now that we have that out of the way, the next step is to install a text editor, since we need a program or environment in which we can write our Python code. While you could write Python code in any text editor such as Notepad or TextEdit, there are special text editors that are better suited for writing code. They are called Integrated Development Environments, or IDEs for short. IDEs are preferred over run-of-the-mill text editors because they include many useful features which help make writing, reading, fixing, and viewing the output of code much easier for programmers. For example, A couple features commonly included with an IDE are syntax highlighting, which makes code easier to read through the use of varied colors and fonts for different parts of code, and built-in error notifications, which give you pointers about what may be causing them. In this course, I will write and show you examples using the PyCharm IDE, which is one of the most popular IDEs for writing Python. To install PyCharm, you need to open your browser and go to jetbrains.com/pycharm. Once you get there, click the Download Now button. That will take you to this page, where you will see download buttons for the professional and community versions of PyCharm. We will be using the community version in this course since it is free, and we won't be using Python for web development. You would have to pay to use the professional version, and you would need to use the professional version if you wanted to do web development in PyCharm using Python web frameworks such as Django or Flask. Click on this button to download the community version of PyCharm. Once it is finished downloading, find it and click on it to run it. I'm going to have to drag it to my Applications folder since I'm on a Mac.